Using your face to speak volumes. Mastering facial expressions for public speaking. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to focus on an often overlooked, yet crucial aspect of effective communication, nonverbal communication. Specifically, we'll dive into the fascinating topic of using facial expressions to convey emotions. Ready to make your presentations and speeches more engaging and expressive? Let's get started. When it comes to public speaking, your words aren't the only thing that matters. A significant part of communication is nonverbal. Facial expressions are a powerful tool that can help you express your emotions and sentiments more effectively. They add a layer of sincerity and help create an emotional connection with your audience, enhancing your overall message. First things first, we need to familiarize ourselves with the basic facial expressions. Researchers agree that there are 6 universal facial expressions which correspond to distinct emotions: happiness, sadness, fear, disgust, anger, and surprise. Understanding these expressions can help you use them appropriately in your speech. Happiness, displayed by a wide smile, bright eyes, and raised cheeks. Sadness, often shown through downturned corners of the mouth, slightly pulled down eyebrows, and a flat or neutral expression in the eyes. Fear, characterized by wide, open eyes, tense lips, and a raised upper eyelid. Disgust, indicated by a wrinkled nose, raised upper lip, and narrowed eyes. Anger, expressed through furrowed brows, tensed lower eyelids, and clenched jaw or teeth. Surprise, represented by wide open eyes, raised eyebrows, and a slightly open mouth. Now that you are familiar with the basics, let's learn how to use these facial expressions while speaking. The key is to ensure that your facial expressions match the tone and content of your speech. For instance, if you're telling a happy story, make sure to express joy on your face to make the story more engaging. Similarly, if you're sharing a serious point, ensure your facial expressions reflect the gravity of the situation. Just like every other skill, mastering facial expressions requires practice. Spend time in front of a mirror practicing the 6 basic facial expressions. You could also record yourself speaking and then play it back to see if your facial expressions align with your words. Don't be discouraged if it feels awkward initially. With time and practice, you'll become more comfortable and your expressions will look more natural. And there you have it. Remember, your facial expressions can be a powerful tool to enhance your speeches and presentations. They not only communicate your emotions but also help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Keep practicing and you'll surely see improvement in your public speaking skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video will be helpful in your journey to becoming a more expressive and effective speaker.